I'm Dee from Dee Lovely Life. Welcome back to my channel. So I only have a few moments to do a quick tidy. I wish I had an hour to do a power hour, but I just don't. So while mom is sleeping, I figure why not go ahead and grab my camera and let's do like one of those dirty 30 tidy. I don't know. I have 30 minutes. I'm gonna time myself and let's see what I can get done to clean and get done before I have to wake up my mom so I can give her a sponge bath, shampoo her hair, and get her ready for physical therapy and yada yada yada. And if you're new, I would love it if you would click that subscribe button somewhere down here if you like those type of videos, because I do like I do a little bit of this and that. I do cleaning, decluttering, I do day in the life, I do vlogs. So if you like all that, then click on the button down below here and don't forget that little bell if you don't want to miss any of the fun. Okay, let's set our timers to 30 minutes and see what I can get done. Hey, did I just snort? OMG. How embarrassing. Sorry about that. So 30 minutes, let's go. Okay, here is the situation. And remember, I gotta whisper because, yeah, mom's asleep and all that. So, all right, I'm gonna place the camera somewhere up there and let's get started. Making the time to take some of the stuff that I got at Bed & Bath Beyond and just kind of get them out of the whole packaging and all that. God, they get so bulky with that, and trying to get rid of the clutter as I go. Okay, I'm gonna grab some lemon pledge. I love using pledge. I don't know, I just do, but I'm using a microfiber cloth from Dollar Tree, and I'm quickly just dusting in the main areas where everyone would see if they came over for dinner or something like that. And plus, you know, it's just time. I usually like to try to dust at least once a week, but I'm behind my dusting, to be honest. One frame kept falling down and making a big old loud racket, and I was like, oh my gosh, trying not to wake up my mom. Wednesdays, I like to make it a habit to clean our downstairs bathroom really well, and then throughout the week I normally just do the swish and swirl, and then I wipe the counters real brief. But today I'm just kind of taking my time doing the downstairs bathroom. check on my time. Oh good, I have 12.5 more minutes. So that's enough time to tidy up the back room. This is something that I always do every day. There's a lot of things that the hubby and I just kind of leave on the ottoman, and I'm a person that once I leave a room, I need to have a couple of items to put away. Even picking up some of Kitty's toys.
Sailors passing on the street, are you ready for peace? Ships are filling up fast, are you ready for ease? Forget bad memories and leave those hurting knees behind. Birds are filling up the sky, are you willing to try? Right. Sing along as they holler.
Ooh, it is hot. This is like serious 30-minute cleaning, people.
Under the sun, pack your finest suit. We will keep it steady. We will be the confetti. If we fail, we just reboot.
Sharing a glimpse of the camera changes needed to film because it's included within my 30 minutes.
New beginnings, new pride, let your spirit shine through. Many more come, many more under the sun. Pack your finest suit, and we will keep it steady.
Right in the middle of everything. Laundry counts, right? Yep.
'Cause nothing can hold us back.
Wait for it, wait for it. Still cracks me up. And they're off. And done. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'd really appreciate it if you click that subscribe button. Until the next one, guys, take care of yourself. Bye.
Many more under the sun. Pack your finest suit. Yes, we will keep it steady.